Yeah. I was telling her I have different stuff, and she's trying to tell me that I can't tell her what to do because she said she's killing herself. I'm allowed to tell her whatever I fucking want now, right? No, you're not. You were told to leave. You were told y'all are fired. You were told to get out of her house. You were told to get off of her body. You were told to stop harassing her. You were told. But she's not a problem now. Get out! You're gonna know who I am. No, well, I don't give a flying fuck who you are. Get out of my house. It's not my mistake. You want to keep saying that? Get out of my fucking house. My property will never be yours. I'm actually gonna fight you. I dare you to come here to my face! Coward! 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 Coward. 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 Slipknot, filthy coward. You are fired. Get your trash off my radio.